name is Regina Morgan, and I'm here to tell you about Mr. Olatunde's Wealth Exportation Program. I got to know about his exportation business program through a friend, and I'm not regretting registering on his program. His program is mind-blowing. Everything you need to know about exportation business, from introduction of exportation business to how you can get buyers, to how you can package the exportation products, how you can package your product for exportation. Everything is explanatory. You need this Mr. Olatunde's Wealth Exportation Business Program. I was looking for how to make an extra income. I've searched businesses that I can do until I got to meet Mr. Olatunde. He's a good business mentor. I can tell you that he's a good mentor. He will see you through, he will walk you through the process, everything. Whatever question you have for him, is there to answer. You know, exportation business in Nigeria now is the in thing. The federal government is taking the attention from oil sector, and now they are focusing on young Nigerians going to exportation. There are millions of Nigerians living abroad. They need our Nigerian product. They need it. So that is why exportation business is very, very lucrative. If you're looking for a business to make profit, exportation business is what you need. I recommend Mr. Olatunde's exportation business program to you. Don't waste time, because they say time waits for no man. Thank you.